Check it out, guys. There it is. We got the blue. Ooh, let's I'm gonna show you guys something here. Let's check this out, man. Even in the rain. Woo, look at that, man. I like that truck. It looks good. Let's check this out. There we go, there we go. Now let's go up here. Let's look again, guys. Let's check this out. Are you ready for it? Ooh, there's the box. Wookie's standing up there. He's out of the rain. There it is. Man, there it is, guys. How you like that? I just got them set on blue. They'll flip, change any color, but I like them blue on here. It looks good, even in the rain. Man, that thing is coming soon, guys. I'm telling you, stay tuned. Ooh-wee. Nasty looking in the rain. Whoop. Yeah. Man, it matched that hoodie. I need that hoodie you got on. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, it is. I get the Chevy front end in there. They look a lot better too. Match your hoodie, man. Yeah, it is. Next Saturday, 9 a.m., they're both going to get tinted. I thought it was the 13th. It's the 3rd, man.
We need to get something together, man.
Yeah. Not in this stuff, though. Wookie, you killing my shop, man. But at least the hoodie match.
My bad, bro. My bad.
Yeah. At least the hoodie match. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Man, it is a downpour, man. It is cold, Wook. Alright, man, listen. I'm about to roll out of here, Wook. I'm about to head to the trapway. You know what we're doing. We're going to end this video, but we're going to keep on trapping. We'll see you in the next clip.